A cat, yes. What's that? Scarecrow. Oh, what's that?
A sheep, yes.
Wolf.
Wolf. A
Yeah.
wolf.
Close enough.
Yay.
Well, you're close. What's this, Kata? What's that? Feel of them. Oh, how nice it's feel right there.
Is that a sheep?
Sheep.
Wolf.
Woof. And a
Doggy.
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 Wait, let's get this picture. Oh,
Mountain.
mountain goat. A goat?
Mountain.
What's that? What's that?
Wait.
Oh, what's that?
Frog.
A frog, yes.
Wait. Frog.
A frog, Grandpa.
Frog.
That's pretty good. She knows what a frog is. Not many kids do at her age.
Now put the book closer to her.
What's that? Oh, Phil.
Sweet corn.
Yummy, yummy corn.
Oh, there's a stone.
Donkey.
Who's that?
Pop, yeah.
A
Rabbit.
rabbit.
There's a top.
Carrot.
Start over. Oh, you got one more page?
It's another
She
page.
likes what's on the next page.
That's like the
That's
Is that a
bunny
rabbit?
Oh.
Mouse.
No.
Squeaky mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, it's on the other one. Is that an owl? Where's the owl?
I think that. Two.